Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered, how does humanity manage to build complex structures, like space stations, in the vast expanse of the cosmos? It's an intriguing question, indeed, and today we are going to unravel the process that brings our celestial outposts to life. The journey to constructing a space station begins right here on Earth, with the design and fabrication of individual modules. Each module is like a piece of a grand cosmic puzzle designed for a specific function, whether it's science labs, living quarters, or control rooms. These modules are meticulously engineered to withstand the harsh conditions of space, including extreme temperatures and cosmic radiation. Once the modules are ready, the next step is to get them into space. This is no small feat, as each module can weigh several tons. Powerful rockets are used to launch these hefty components into orbit around the Earth. The thunderous roar of the rocket engines, the fiery plume of exhaust, and the tiny speck of the rocket disappearing into the sky are all part of this awe-inspiring phase. Once in orbit, the real work begins. Astronauts, those intrepid explorers of the cosmos, work both inside and outside the space station to assemble the modules. They use sophisticated robotic arms to maneuver the large sections into place, and then they perform spacewalks to connect the modules together. This process is intricate, requiring precision and patience, as even a small mistake can lead to catastrophic consequences. This assembly process is not a one-time event. It can take years to fully assemble a space station. Multiple rockets launch over time, each bringing new modules or supplies. It's a slow but steady process, like building a skyscraper, but in the zero-gravity environment of space. Now, building a space station is not just a monumental engineering challenge, it's also a testament to international collaboration. Space stations like the International Space Station, or ISS, are the result of many nations working together. Countries contribute different modules, share resources, and even send their own astronauts to live and work on the station. It's a shining example of what humanity can achieve when we work together for a common goal. So to summarize, building a space station is a multi-step process that starts on Earth with the construction of individual modules. These modules are then launched into space by powerful rockets, where astronauts assemble them in orbit. The process is slow and methodical, often taking years to complete, with multiple launches delivering new components over time. And all of this is made possible through international collaboration, as countries around the world contribute their expertise and resources to these incredible feats of engineering. Building a space station, therefore, is not just about reaching for the stars. It's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible, working together as a global community, and creating a home away from home in the vast expanse of space. It's truly one of humanity's greatest achievements.